Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you connect your Android phone to your car, for example. Android Auto launches, but Waze won't open. It freezes, lags, crashes, or even more problems. So in today's small tutorial, the concept was, or is, on how to fix Waze not working on Android Auto. We're gonna go ahead, learn the problem, understand the concept, and also fix the issue. Let's get started. First thing first, you have to uninstall and reinstall Waze. This is a classic solution and it's the most reliable fix for Android Auto issues. It's basically just a clean reinstall. Uninstall Waze from your phone, restart your device, then reinstall it back from Google Play Store. Make sure it's the official version. Now, go ahead and check Android Auto permissions. Make sure Waze has all the necessary permissions, including location, microphone, storage. So on your phone, you can easily go through these settings, apps, Waze, permissions, and enable them all. It's time now to update Android Auto and Waze. Outdated versions often cause issues, so update Android Auto through the Google Play Store and make sure Waze is updated as well. Now it's time to restart both devices, force close Waze on your phone, restart your phone, and also restart your car's system, or just restart the whole car if needed. Also check the USB cable if you are using a wired connection. Maybe the problem isn't on your phone, isn't on your car, but it's on the cable. And that's the whole idea. Think of watching this. See you in the next video.